How would your life change if you could tap into the power of your subconscious mind? What could you do or create? Who would you be? Here's the key to unlocking your subconscious mind with the law of attraction. Your subconscious mind is a part of you. It's not an evil villain lurking in the shadows plotting your downfall, even though it may seem like that at times. It is you, or rather, a complex, mostly misunderstood part of you. The easiest way to think of it is to imagine a horse and a rider. The rider is your conscious thinking mind, and the horse is your subconscious mind. The rider directs the horse to a goal or destination. The horse carries the rider there. But the horse is not a robot. Instead, it makes decisions and choices based on taking care of its own needs, wants, and safety. If the horse sees a snake in the road, the horse will shy away from it, even if the rider tries to force it to stay on course. If the horse gets hungry or tired, it will turn around and go home. And it knows how to get home without any help from the rider. Without direction, the horse will do whatever it wants. Its focus is on meeting its immediate needs and sticking with comfortable routines. These routines are the result of everything it knows and learned to do. With direction, the horse can carry you across a continent. It can lead you to the easiest path through difficulties. It can even save your life. Your subconscious mind is like the horse. Over your life, it has absorbed the rules, beliefs, opinions, and habits of your lifetime. It wants to keep you safe and meet your current, immediate needs. Its purpose is to carry out the desires of your conscious mind. It does this constantly, even without you realizing it. This is the key. So, how do you unlock your subconscious mind? The secret to unlocking your subconscious mind is to direct it to where you want it to go. But there's more to it than that. Your subconscious mind operates to make your life easier. It creates patterns, habits, and routines for most of your day-to-day thoughts and actions. Once you have the patterns, your subconscious mind runs them for you. That way your conscious mind can think of other things. If you want something to drink, you think of it, then get up and go get it. Your subconscious mind handles the details. It sends the commands to your body to stand up, walk, navigate to the kitchen, locate the glass, fill it up, and then drink it. As long as your subconscious mind is running the programs that get you what you want, it's good. Both your subconscious and conscious mind are going in the same direction. If you don't like the results that you're getting, then you have to change the subconscious mind. The key to unlocking your subconscious mind with the law of attraction. Use your conscious mind to direct your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind operates to carry out your commands. Ask yourself a question and see what your mind answers. But notice your questions. If you ask, "Why can't I lose weight?" your subconscious mind will look for reasons why you can't lose weight. It is following your command. Focus on what you want and ask a positive question. How can I lose weight? Your subconscious mind will look for ways to create what you want. It is still following your command. But this time, you're directing it in the direction that you want, which is to lose weight. It sounds easy. Then why is it so hard? It's hard because your subconscious mind uses thought patterns to do your thinking for you. To change these thought patterns, you have to take back conscious control. To reprogram your subconscious mind, you have to create new thought patterns. How to communicate with your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is a storehouse of information. It absorbs everything around you at all times. Like a computer, it processes information quicker than you can consciously think it. Its language is in images and feelings. Think of a glass of water. You visualize the image of it and you imagine the feeling of drinking the cool water. Your subconscious mind connects the two, then moves to your goal. It can't tell the difference between something you imagine and something that is real. As long as the goal currently exists or is something that you can create, your subconscious mind can create it. Visualization. This is why visualization helps. By visualizing what you want and feeling how it feels to have it, you send the clear command to your subconscious mind. Your mind believes that it exists. It is real now and understands the feeling connected with it. Meditation. Meditation is another way to communicate with your subconscious mind. It allows you to detach from your thoughts. When you can see your thoughts and let them go, you learn to direct them. Once you can direct your thoughts, you can begin to direct your subconscious mind. Affirmations. Affirmations work on several levels. To work best, an affirmation needs to be something that you believe and be phrased in the present tense. When speaking the affirmation, accept it as true. Decide to make it true in your life. Feel it as if it is true. This way, you visualize what you want. You direct your subconscious mind to create it. When you repeat an affirmation, you create a new program for your subconscious mind. You hold the key to unlocking your subconscious mind. Give it a goal. Let it work with you. Learn to speak its language, then relax and enjoy the ride. The key to the law of attraction is learning to manage your mind. If you would like to learn how to activate your manifesting mind, just click the link below to download your free report today. Manage your mind and manifest your destiny.